Okay, here's what we have on our dyno here this morning. We got one of our Chrysler big blocks. It's a 440 Chrysler stroked to 500 cubic inch. Unbelievable motor. You got to check out the build. All the parts are extreme parts. Complete forged rotating assembly with H-beam rod, forged pistons, Magnum rollers. It's a roller cam in this. 850 series Holley carburetor, MSD distributor, full bolt march, Mopar Proformance valve covers. All the best of parts. If you're interested in any one of our builds, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Check out the run. Thank you.